Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you Dollar General 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, the low. All right, y'all. So went into Dollar General trying to see what I was going to get. And, this week right here to me is a slow week for me. There is some deals out there, but, the product is not on the shelf. So, that's how it is sometimes. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right. So the first thing I got was the Scott. These are the 6 rows. Let me move this out of the way. That bag, I know I'm doing it in my car. Every Saturday morning, I do it in my car. I know I'm a little late, but I had to do something before I came and did my 5 off of 25. But the Scott's Comfort Plus is $3. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, if you don't want to get them 6 rows, you can get the one that is $5, okay? And it still attaches. The next thing is the Colgate Max Fresh. The Colgate Max Fresh is $2.75. There is a $2 off digital coupon that's making it 75 cents. I don't mind spending 75 cents on some toothpaste or even $1. I know we always get it free, and and everybody always talking about don't, but you can always get toothpaste for free. Yes, that's true. But these times how things are going up, I don't mind spending 75 cents, okay? So then the next thing are these Garnier Nutrice Ultra Color Hair Dye, okay? They are $8 a piece. There is 3 coupons that is attaching. There's a Dollar General coupon that is attaching. I forgot, I'm so sorry which one that is. I think it was $3, I believe, or $2. I can't remember which one it was, okay? But there is 2 digital coupons that is attaching also. But there is more digital coupons that is attaching to this. But the ones that attached for mine was a $4 and a $1. And then I had a Dollar General digital coupon attached also. And then, my 5 off of 25. So it made it cheap. Not real cheap, but it did make it cheap, okay? But I'm good with paying the price for it, okay? So you might just want to scan it to make sure that it's actually, attaching. So I got, the indigo, and I got the bow black, okay? Them the 2 that I got, but they have many more, okay? The next thing are these Fabulosos. Let me turn this around. Fabulosos, okay? I got the yellow one and I got the purple. They are disinfecting wipes, and it's good for here in my car. They are $2.95. There is a digital coupon when you buy 2. It's like buy one get one free to me, because $2.95 each. And then if you use the coupon, you're just paying $2.95 for one. All right. So then the last thing are these Coca Cola cans. There is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching, making them just 50 cents a piece. They are $1 each. I got the Coca Cola Zero Sugar, which they are as good to me. And then y'all know I like the Coca Cola Cherry. Okay. So after everything was scanned and I put in my number, all the digits came off. Y'all, my subtotal was just a little bit higher, $10.70. That's why I said that this week to me was a little it was okay week for me, okay? $10.70 was my subtotal. Everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. There it is. There's the Scott's. There is the Nutrice, the hair dye, the Garnier. There is the 2 Cokes. There is the Colgate, and there's the Fabuloso wipes. $10.70, and everybody's taxes is different. And look how much I saved. I saved $18.95. Yes, $18.95. And there is a 5 off of 25 for next week. All right, y'all. Hopefully, y'all, next week is going to be a good week for Family Dollar. Please, y'all, we need some more nice, good coupons because the prices is coming up. They're trying to lower the coupons value. You know, instead of us getting the $1 off digital coupons, they're going with the $1 off for 2 manufactured coupons and all that, you know. But, you know, I guess it's life. I guess it's life, y'all. Well, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.